Two, one. Hi guys. Whoa! Oh, hi. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome to SFC 15, guys. Welcome to SFC 15.
Hi.
बहुत दिनों के बाद you are seeing us. Hi, what's up? My name is Shovik, and we have Anil here. And today we'll be talking about just only one thing. One thing.
Yes, it's
That's it.
happened, guys. It's official now. Harry Kane
It's
has
happened.
returned to training at Tottenham. So
That
we'll
is
be
what we're
talking
talking.
about
That's it, guys. That is
uh,
what.
that is what we're talking. Harry Kane is at Tottenham training ground. So all the Spurs fans, all the 1 million fans who are there. So Harry Kane is
Was
not
still
leaving
there.
Spurs.
Was still there. Uh, but Harry Kane is not leaving Spurs, but somebody has left something
Uh,
which uh, which
hey, that's a nice T-shirt, by the
uh,
way, huh?
so thank you. So people are like, "Arey, what the fuck is?" So this is a Barcelona T-shirt which I bought so that I will start the season by wearing this. I wanted to wear this. I wanted to support our team. Usually, what happened in the last few months, we were bitching too much about Barcelona, and I was like, "Dude, what is this?
We have to support
Barca
our
is
club
like
now.
Forza Barca." So I was like,
Yes.
let's take some t-shirts and let's support our team. And then uh, I
Last
don't know.
Thursday,
They
uh,
lost our and the last 3-4 days, so many things have happened that it took us like we were waiting. Okay, let us wait. Let's see what all can happen, and everything happened in the next last 4 days. Like from a disaster, done, everything happened, and we are like cool, like this. So yeah, the big news is everybody knows this news, and the world knows that
so
Messi is in PSG now. PSG, PSG,
PSG, and he'll be
PSG,
wearing the number 30 like he did when he
30,
came to Barcelona. Yeah, he'll be
Barcelona,
wearing 30. So, firstly,
because
sir, what is your reaction, sir? As
fuck
a
La
fan?
Liga. First, first thing is this is what it is. I have
Oh
I am
God.
so pissed. Like I don't know, like if okay, I think idiots are running that La Liga. I don't know. First, like okay, you okay, एक पूरे like लीग्स में एक चैंपियन प्लेयर रहता है जिसके वजह से तुम्हारा लीग चल रहा है,
Viewership आ रहा
जिसके
है,
वजह से
sales
तुम्हारे लीग
बढ़
का
रहा है.
व्यूअरशिप आ रहा है, तुम्हारा सेल्स बढ़ रहा है. स्पेनिश लीग का सुपरस्टार वाज मेसी.
No doubt.
and and then you are saying because of now for him, for to protect him, you have to change laws, you have to kill people also, you have to do whatever you have to do that. That is what a superstar brings. तुम लोग सडन नाउ ओके लास्ट ईयर जो तमाशा हुआ ओके
वो तो अलग ही था.
इज लीविंग ना सब तो हो गया नाउ दिस टाइम इवन both teams agreed. Fucking La Liga is saying कि हम तुमको नहीं दे सकते
नहीं दे
बिकॉज देयर आर
सकते.
स्ट्रिक्टर रूल्स करते. आई एम लाइक व्हाट रूल्स? Okay, this is the guy who is bringing a viewership. Why are you applying rules to him? Like, dude, what the hell are you speaking? They're like, no, हमारे rules के हिसाब से, हम इतना कुछ नहीं दे सकते. I'm like, do you forget? यही लेके आएगा viewership तुमको बाहर से. कौन लेके आ रहा है? Like what? Like Griezmann will bring you viewership from like what, France? Where?
So, just so you know, well,
Yeah.
Shavik is already feeling bad that Messi is in PSG. His health is also not the same.
Yeah, my health has
So,
been like screwed.
okay, so just so you know, okay, there's this company called CVM, which is a investment kind of
Yes.
company. ठीक है, वो लोग La Liga के साथ ये किए. So they own some stake in La Liga, due to which there was some financial fair play.
10%.
10%, right?
10%.
So financial fair play came in place. Now I don't know what is that. First, कि पहली बार,
Financial fair play.
yeah.
Perez. Okay,
That's what.
they have invested 2.6 billion in La Liga this year.
Yes.
उसमें से 1 बिलियन ये रियल मैड्रिड ले रहा क्योंकि ये
हाँ,
बर्नाबू
एम्बापे
के
को
लिए वो
तो
लोग
लेकर
बना
जा रहा था.
वो जो बड़ा स्टेडियम बना रहे लोग कौन सा किसको खिलाएंगे कि अब
नहीं
स्टेडियम
नहीं,
में
वो 1
एल
बिलियन
क्लासिको
में
में
1 billion में 100 million is for that new stadium. बाकी 900 million is for Mbappe. They are having their Mbappe fund only. और Mbappe आने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है. तो ये
नाम ही
होने
नहीं
के
ले
बाद
रहा।
में तेरे को ये बात मालूम है ना कि क्या हुआ था? फर्स्टली मेसी वाज सपोज्ड टू हैव अ 2 year कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Now Messi is a
Right.
free agent, 2 year contract था. Then again president
Correct.
changed, all this thing happened, so they offered him
हाँ
5 years contract, but they gave him salary only for 2 years. And Messi said okay. एंड कोपा अमेरिका जीत के आए हैं खुशी में, बस अब आए हैं, बस सिग्नेचर करो, साइन वाइन करो, हो गया. और लालिगा को भी लग
एंड
रहा था
लास्ट
कि
टाइम और कोपा डेल रे भी जीत गए हम लोग ये साल।
हाँ हाँ, ये साल कोपा डेल रे भी जीते थे हम.
कोपा
वो तो
डेल रे भी
मुश्किल से
जीते हैं,
जीते.
स्पेनिश कप
हाँ
भी
हाँ हाँ.
जीते
अब
अभी
उसके बाद
बस।
पता नहीं क्या हुआ था. देन अगेन यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड, सो वी वर ऑल कन्विंस्ड कि भाई he'll be signing. देन ला लीगा
या
गेम, वहां तो बारसा वाले भी फुल जोश में, भाई मेसी के टी शर्ट छाप रहे हैं, मेसी 10 बनाया होम जर्सी पे. अब
यस।
भैया गया पूरा रद्दी में
अरे
जाया, so they
बडवाइजर,
don't have to.
बडवाइजर का कितने लेबल छप गए मालूम तुमको? पूरा पूरा कैंपेन स्ट्रेटजी दे आर मेकिंग। अरे अभी लाइक व्हाट टू डू,
अब क्या ही करे
वी
भैया.
इन्वेस्टेड सो मच।
So what do you think will happen now at Barcelona? First question that. Now this is open now. It can't be changed. There is no hope. Why Messi has left Barcelona? There was no bid again from them. So
लेफ्ट फॉरएवर।
in 2 days, PSG did their magic with their oil money. So of course they didn't want to wait. So what do you think will happen at Barcelona now? Just so people know, Aguero is also ruled out for 10
10
weeks
weeks,
because he's
10
got a
weeks
calf injury.
his knee is gone and a calf in sorry 10 weeks के लिए gone।
Yeah.
I guess 10 weeks के बाद he will be just ऐसा 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 ऐसा
तो उसको ही मिलेगा
He'll go
10,
to
जर्सी नंबर 10. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? और दिस
I
ईयर
know
दे विल
उसको
कीप इट
ही
वेकेंट.
I guess they'll give you to senior citizenship कोटा कुछ जेराड पी के दे उसको ये दे देते, ये लो आप तुम खेलो 10 ले आके खेलो तुम ना, पुराने साल कब से हो कि हमारे क्लब में ना, तो ले लो कुछ।
तो अभी फाइनली नाउ देयर इज ग्रीजमैन, जिसके साथ ना मेसी है ना, नहीं कौन था
हाँ
अपना सुआरेस.
Suarez,
ना मेसी
the
है ना
attacking
सुआरेस है.
trio,
सो
the
द
attacking
अटैकिंग
the
ट्रियो.
attacking trio
अब क्या
इसमें अभी
करे
बस
भैया?
अटैक, अभी बस एक अटैकर है who is also attack, अभी if you say Griezmann an attacker then okay
अब
it
क्या
is
करे
debatable।
बताओ. सो ओके, नो
So
ऑन अ सीरियस
first
नोट.
there will be serious loss in the viewership. MTV this year MTV has bought the La Liga ka viewer that
ब्रॉडकास्टिंग राइट्स.
to broadcasting rights in India, गया पैसा पूरा
एमटीवी
मतलब
खरीदा, इट्स
गया।
नॉट ऑन सोनी.
No it's MTV bought it, so गया पैसा पूरा। अभी अभी so that money is gone। अभी बार्सिलोना का पहले I guess I don't know the पहले matches will it will be very weird like for us also to see a match without like this it's like imagining a India match without Sachin at that time,
या.
and abhi it's a match without Messi, and I don't know like how the crowd, and again the people are coming back, so there will be one to huge reaction from the crowd also, that the crowd is also coming back again in the European
In the
stadiums,
stadiums, yeah.
in the stadiums and all. So that will happen, and so there will be a lot of cries, shoutings, ki white, and there will be a lot of posters, and every time
Banners,
commentator will comment
rebels.
banners and सब कुछ होगा, एक कुछ
ठीक
ना
है,
कांड
दिस इज
करेंगे कि
फ्रॉम यूरोप्स पर्सपेक्टिव.
right
दिस इज फ्रॉम यूरोप्स पर्सपेक्टिव. ये वहां का ठीक है, बट स्टिल फुटबॉल इज फुटबॉल टू देम, क्योंकि बार्सिलोना तो सिटी छोड़ेगा नहीं जस्ट बिकॉज मेसी हैज लेफ्ट. देयर विल बी
नहीं
बैड
नहीं
दिस थिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल जैसा रोनाल्डो गया तो मैड्रिड वाले सब सपोर्ट किए, so they will not leave the club. Barca will remain a big club, no doubt about it. It will still attract players,
no
but on a
yeah
global platform, say Asian viewership market, एशियन
oh
सेल्स मार्केट. अब इंडिया में आधे लोग
no just
very, हाँ, very rarely, I mean very people are really fanatic about clubs. You would see them wearing Chelsea या Liverpool या United का, but ज्यादा लोग तो देख either they are wearing Messi or they are wearing Ronaldo shirts by default. If people are not following football also, उनको मालूम था Messi है. So how do you think all these things will hit La Liga? Will it?
will hit La Liga to the core, and it should, then they will understand ki what they did like what they did, like I don't understand this okay, you first you had two biggest stars of the world in your league,
League,
then
yeah,
one goes,
yeah,
then one leaves, he
yeah,
leaves for his reason, he leaves. Now
yeah.
you have this one more guy
whom
Now
you
you
have to
protect him.
protect.
You have to protect. Now ये कौन सा rule book है? Like okay, first La Liga rule book करते हैं. La Liga has a rule book ना. Don't screw with us. There is no rule book.
Like
There is no
President's Book
rules.
of Secret.
Yeah. And with that, अभी कैसा है दोस्तों? अभी again, it is taking. आज ही मेरे को थोड़ा adjust होने का time लगा कि 10 will not be 10 number jersey will not be worn by Messi अभी.
Yeah,
His logo अभी उसका number 30 बन गया.
30. Yeah,
It
yeah.
will 30. And now this usually अभी कैसा होता था वो तो okay, स्पेन में ये था, इटली में रोनाल्डो था. So it was becoming like whenever there was any UCL matches between Spain teams and Italy teams, it used to become like they used to make sure कि कुछ ना कुछ करके बार्सिलोना जुवेंटस मिल जाए. There should be a clash so that a big legends are clashing.
Clash of Titans.
Now
Type.
that also gone because अभी कैसा है वो तो PSG में there are already 3-4 like Neymar है, Ramos है and Mbappe है and उनका goalkeeper भी Donnarumma
वो भी है.
Italian वो भी है and then you have Messi. So he is not only the one who is driving PSG अभी. So on that La Liga lost its chance. पूरा वो से हो गया, viewership जाएगा. Viewership तो definitely जाएगा.
From Asian markets तो पक्का.
Out. Asian countries से out. I don't know what like some who gave this genius idea कि हम ना मेसी को ही निकाल देते हैं.
I am surprised कि La Liga did not do anything. I mean, I agree कि they went by the rules. They have a fair play or whatever it is. They have their things. They've stood by their law. But I am surprised कि La Liga didn't do anything to stop this from happening because it was their league. It was their hands letting go the biggest superstar of the league, and he was made in the league. रोनाल्डो तो फिर भी प्रीमियर लीग से आया था. मेसी was the one जो बारसा से स्टार्ट होके उधर ही था. We all had that dream कि भाई he'll be like that Totti, Francesco Totti कि भाई एक ही क्लब, one club man कि उधर ही जाएगा, उधर ही रिटायर होगा, उधर ही क्लब लेजेंड बन के उधर ही he'll do something like that. But ठीक है,
वही जा रहा था. That was the path that he was going. Like it will be like then, the guy who made
exactly
who played with the club, who did everything.
Exactly. Who would then start playing along with these kids from La Masia, from the academy, slowly groom them and then retire. But ठीक है. Now you tell me, now in La Liga, realistically, like you and me, although we are Barca fans, we used to watch La Liga only because of the big games. या तो देखते थे El Clasico, या तो कभी कभार मेसी का मैच हो गया तो देखते थे. Otherwise, we used to only watch.
Yeah, there are three matches. बस नहीं. Premier League. See, abhi La Liga mein the problem was La Liga mein there are only 3 teams that are actually very worthwhile watching. Real Madrid,
Atletico and
Barcelona and Atletico. इन तीनों के बीच में मैच होता था तो it would have been interesting match. उसमें भी it's a huge मतलब बहुत rare case होता था कि somebody is watching a Real versus Atletico Madrid match in India. Or we are watching Barcelona because it is always centered around Real and Barca. So वो तो पहले से ला लीगा के पास वो इशू था कि शिट अभी क्या करना. तीन ही टीम्स थे. कभी people used to watch Sevilla का who I don't know who used to watch but वो होता था. अभी तो it will be like अभी I don't know अभी it will be
you
like
watch El Clasico? Are you excited?
I will watch El Clasico.
Are you excited?
See, एक्साइटमेंट तो गया कब का. लाइक एक्साइटमेंट तो चला गया भाई. एक्साइटमेंट तो लास्ट ईयर में चला गया. ला लीग जब से रामोस स्टार्टेड शेकिंग हैंड्स इन एल क्लासिको, आई एम लाइक दिस इज डन. लाइक एल क्लासिको का पूरा तो तुम हाथ तोड़ने वाले बंदे थे लोग पूरे. अभी सडनली आके
हाथ मिला रहे.
जेंटलमैन मैच. आई एम लाइक ये क्रिकेट था ना हमारे लिए फिर वो.
वही तो. ये तो फुटबॉल का एल क्लासिको का मतलब क्या है फिर? But honestly,
मारते थे ना तुम लोग.
But अगर now realistically, who do you think are favorites then this year? See, Real is also not in a very good shape. Real से राफेल वरान गया, Real से रामोस गया. Okay, Real में हजार्ड का भैया जीसू गए का कोच है. और भाई उनके पास बेल वापस आया. अभी तो बेल गोल्फ खेल रहा है as usual. But क्या मतलब Real is also not in a very great shape. They were completely banking on Mbappe. कि भाई Mbappe आएगा.
ये 2 साल Atletico Madrid will only be champions. That will be the only case because that will be because they're coming with that champion mindset. तो अभी वही रहेगा because Barcelona has already lost one. मतलब if they can make, I don't see it's impossible that they can make it this year to be. If they make, if अगर ये champion बन गए ना हम लोग इस साल,
ला लीगा
तो भाई तो मैं नया टी शर्ट ले लूँ फिर. But it's very highly, maybe it's not possible that it can happen. Same with Real also, with the team that they have and वो सब है. So it will be again for the next 2 years. I'm saying it will be Atletico Madrid who will be
And
winning
how
all
about
this.
Champions League? Do Spanish teams have any of the Spanish? I'll be honest. Champions League जो है last year से भाई English domination हो गया है. It is no
बहुत
longer Real
बहुत
Barca.
भाई बहुत.
ठीक है,
Champions
लिवरपूल
League
भी
पे
तगड़े हैं.
yes.
तो भाई मैन सिटी तो भाई पेप भैया तो सुन ही नहीं रहे. जैक ग्रिलिश को उठा लिए 100 मिलियन पे, अब पीछे हैरी केन के पड़े हैं. ठीक है.
Harry
एंड देन चेल्सी में साला थॉमस टूचेल तो साइलेंटली आके भाई क्या काम कर दिया किसी को
अरे
समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
लुकाकू
लुकाकू आ रहा है, लुकाकू आ रहा है
लुकाकू.
सही में.
तो चेल्सी जो लास्ट चेल्सी किया लास्ट टाइम मैच चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल में, like oh my god, what happened?
They outclassed Pep, dude. They outclassed Pep. No doubt in
Outclassed.
that.
Nobody thought कि English team will be defending. Defend
Yeah,
करेंगे हम लोग.
exactly.
Defend करेंगे हमें को. And this was like, अरे तुम लोग blue pen है, that doesn't mean that you will play like Italy, right? ये क्या तुम लोग suddenly Italy से क्यों play कर रहे? इतना क्यों defense मार? अरे हम तो सर defense में खेलेंगे बुरा. हमने
But it
एक goal
worked.
मार लिया हम लोग. It worked.
It was
That
very
is what
good.
Pep didn't understand this.
हाँ.
ये like
तो
what?
अच्छा, अब मेरे को ये बताओ कि so again this year also you may
But
think.
again, as a brand, I'm saying PSG का brand अब है ना, as a brand,
हाँ.
as a brand, PSG का brand, now they have the, I guess they have the unique selling, like they have many USPs apart from the
Many.
oil money that usually. मतलब they have, okay, इससे ये Galacticos है अभी.
इनके.
इससे ज़्यादा तोप नहीं बन सका. Okay, you have like what? You have Messi,
They
you
have
have Mbappe,
Neymar. They have
you have
Mbappe.
Neymar.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your this, and then you have Ramos.
Ramos.
Ramos. अगर एक भयंकर कोच भी आ जाए अभी, like
No, coach is a
you
good
know,
coach.
like a
हाँ, मतलब
star,
अगर like a star coach.
yeah, like a big star coach, मतलब oh, मतलब ऐसा डर ही जाए लोग, मतलब if that coach comes in, so then branding के हिसाब से PSG अभी हो गया, PSG के टी-शर्ट से बिक रहे हैं अभी.
Of
Done.
course, भाई PSG में लोग apparently there people have stand. I saw the videos. People were standing क्योंकि मेसी का नंबर तो रिवील हो गया. अब PSG वाले भी तो तगड़े ही थे भाई, नंबर छाप के भेज दिए in the showrooms. So people have already started buying the t-shirts. Okay, now let's talk about PSG. कि भाई like you said, they not just have selling points. They have everything. Now they are the strongest team on paper.
Yeah, on the paper, yes.
So
And
इस
but
बार
हाँ,
winning a league, okay, उनके लिए तो कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है. Winning the league is secondary. Champions League में, do you think with Messi coming in, will that be able to guide them? क्योंकि it doesn't look like Mbappe is also leaving this season. और एक 10 दिन में 20 दिन में transfer window will close. So there is nothing that is officially come up for Mbappe. I don't know if he's going there also. So how अगर Neymar है, Messi है, then they have a backup striker, Icardi है, Di Maria है, you know, they have Ramos in defense, they have Donnarumma, they have Keylor Navas. Pochettino, who's a very good coach, who knows how it is to be in a Champions League. So
yeah.
So do you think they can go?
Yes, they can. And I guess with this team, if this team that, like as you said, it's so great on a paper, they should win. Like literally win. Like it should, like they should, or else give out ऐसा competition to that finalists that you know it should be remembered कि okay, this is how they played बोल के. Because with this team usually you need to now again इससे ज़्यादा invest कोई, like as a company also nobody
can do
as
anything.
a brand nobody can do. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बन सकता और कुछ भी. Like you have the best stars, you have the best player, you have the coach. Not the best coach in my opinion, but yeah. But
nice
you have
coach,
everything.
Decent
Yeah,
coach. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम time pass coach है. A nice coach who knows the game.
Nice coach.
Who's handled players. Who's handled someone like, you know, who made stars like Harry Kane and Son and everybody.
Yes.
ठीक है. So Poch is a decent coach. Now this year
But
I
I
want him
just
to
want
win
to
the
know
league.
one thing. I want to know अभी the French league है, which is like Ligue 1, what I don't know what is that.
League on.
तो अभी उसका viewership क्या होगा? मतलब
That's
people,
what my next question was.
I don't even know the teams apart from PSG in France. Like I'm like, what are the other teams? Like अभी like will they? I will again. It will be a Facebook Live that they will be doing to get some
They
attention.
pretty much should. They pretty much should. See, okay, I'll tell you how it works. Okay, so if you see Manchester United and Barca, Spain and Italian league, English leagues, उनके players they wish us Diwali, they wish us Holi, अपना
Oh,
Republic Day पे Barcelona, because they have market in Asia, right?
they
So Paris
भाई
and all.
हम लोग चला रहे वहाँ वहाँ यूएस में यूरोपियन एजेंसीज में बैठ के दे थिंक अबाउट अस इन
Us,
अरे
yeah,
अरे
इनके लिए
अभी
क्या करना
फेस्टिवल आ रहा
चाहिए? हाँ, हाँ,
दशहरा
हाँ.
दशहरा अरे
इंडियन
दिखाओ
कैलेंडर
दिखाओ
साइड में
सबको
पैरेलली चला रहा है.
हाँ
बट
और उसके
आई
साथ एक मिडिल ईस्टर्न कैलेंडर भी चल रहा है उनका
चल रहा
क्योंकि
होगा. हाँ,
वहां भी
हाँ,
तो
हाँ, हाँ,
टारगेट
हाँ,
करने हैं
ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि वो मेन टारगेट है ना, वहीं पे तो पूरे रिपोर्ट्स
हाँ
जाएंगे. तो अभी पीएसजी का ऐसी लास्ट ईयर तक क्या था अपना सीन भाई? हॉटस्टार में पीएल देखो, तगड़ा, आराम से.
हाँ
कभी कभार के लिए ऑन सोनी लिव वॉच ला लीगा एंड सेरिया, बस उनके
सीरिया
साथ बेस्ट था.
दैट्स इट
हो गया. पीएसजी तो वी यूज्ड टू बस यूट्यूब पे कभी हाइलाइट्स दिख गया तो दिख गया, या चैंपियंस लीग तो 10-2 पे आता ही था, तो वी यूज्ड टू वॉच
बस
दैट ऑन थिंग. बट
बस
नाउ ला लीगा हैज गॉन टू एमटीवी एंड जियो, मतलब वूट और जियो पे इट इज कमिंग.
या
It is a
या
horrible waste of money. Nobody will buy. I will also not buy.
he's if Ambani is watching highly if, like highly possible if anybody is watching anywhere please remove it और अभी निकाल लो पैसा निकाल लो नहीं तो बहुत लॉस में जाओगे खत्म हो
तो वो एक सीन है.
प्लीज
Okay, and then उसके अलावा अभी like you said, it's the right question. What channel does French league come in? Because now in India the viewership will grow, because ठीक है चलो मेसी अकेला जाता तो अलग बात था. Now there's Messi, there's Neymar, there's Mbappe, so at least एक मैच, फर्स्ट वाला एक दो मैच तो देखने के लिए, to see all these people play together,
I
ये तो
think
देखना पड़ेगा.
Sony so Sony Live will attempt once to buy to have the watch along to see to have the broadcasting right of only on their app for the broadcasting rights of their of that क्या बोलते हैं, of the league one or French league वो उसका ले सकते हैं but it should be only for app because I don't think टीवी पे ये सब चलेगा अभी because इतना भी सीधा Premier League I will watch on a TV because the match is exciting, the game is exciting, the way they shoot is exciting, the players, I know the players,
Exactly.
I know
Yeah,
the
yeah,
teams, I know the teams, I know
yeah,
the
yeah.
teams,
Teams most
I know
importantly.
teams,
Yeah,
I know
I know.
player, I know what's at stake. And हर बार क्या होता है वो तो दो तीन बार हमारा ही स्टेक कुछ निकल जाता है मतलब oh shit I am supporting Liverpool, oh shit I am supporting United, I am supporting this man, something like
Yeah,
this. वहाँ किसको सब एक कितना मतलब how many times I can watch single match अरे I want to see Mbappe only.
yeah, yeah,
But
yeah. I know.
उस तरफ कौन है उस तरफ मतलब कोई है who is that guy I don't know who is that guy so
Lille,
TV
Montpellier, I
viewership will
don't
not
know.
come
TV viewer,
PSG
no, no, no. See, TV viewership तो छोड़ दे. Now TV viewership is gone. It is now completely online. Like I'm talking about app wise only, OTT platform,
yeah yeah
like Sony Live or Woot or whatever those kind of thing. Because even I watch matches on Hotstar and Sony Live only. Yeah, Facebook Live, of course. Because La Liga वही आता
बंद बंद अभी thank God
Okay, so by the way, La Liga is starting this Saturday. Okay.
I think that's it now I can only see some La Liga news after a month till
Right
this
now,
anger subsides till this
oh,
anger completely calms down because okay somebody screwed up like a lot of people screwed up in La Liga and that was a result of this entire okay मेरे को सबसे insult क्या दिखा बोल तो there is something good about English Premier League that even though अभी John Terry है और Gerrard है big players वही बने वही retire हुए like you see the farewell and they deserve a farewell like that पूरा stadium चिल्ला रहा उनका नाम
yeah.
पूरा stadium they deserve a speech they deserve their last match they deserve all that ला लीगा के साथ इशू कैसा है they take these players 400-800 मिलियन पूरा दे दिया वो सब दे दिया respect like ये press con I don't think Messi deserved a press conference release.
Yeah, yeah.
What is this? What is press conference?
That the same happened with Suarez. I mean, he was not wanting to go, but he had to go. The same
Same with
happened with
Casillas. Same with
Casillas,
Casillas.
with Ramos also.
Casillas. Same.
Everybody said the same कि भाई हम लोग वापस आएंगे, हमको यहाँ जाने का मन नहीं है. But correct, I think La Liga में शायद फेयरवेल का उतना अच्छा एक कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं रहा है. It should have
नहीं,
been better.
like uh, you make this a big event, spectacular event बनाओ. अरे ये भी तो बड़ा. This guy has given you so many things. Like you see the photo in how many cups he has brought for you. So many viewership, so many money, so much emotions he had brought for you. And then what a press conference? Like
Yeah.
literally, can't you make a match at least? Okay, can't your PR team can think of a match or say something at least, so that
So
these
match,
legends get a great farewell.
no,
Or
so
some
match apparently.
give it in Bernabeu only. Oh sorry, give it in sorry
Camp Nou.
Camp Nou only. Camp Nou
नहीं
में
नहीं,
ही पूरा
Camp
लोगों को
Nou
बुला
में
के कराओ.
फेयरवेल होना
लोगों को
चाहिए था.
बुलाओ.
That is where
ये
it was supposed to be. मैच तो नहीं खेल सकता था because by then Messi उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सपायर हो चुका था. So he
अरे
was,
क्या तब से इतना पेपर वर्क बोल रहे सडनली इतना. आई एम लाइक dude this okay.
see,
This guy is a superstar. You change every rule. अरे कर देंगे. अरे क्या तुम इसमें पेपर अरे इसमें तो लिखा है नहीं. हो गया तो हो गया. अभी तो सर अभी आप फुटपाथ से निकल जाओ खत्म. अभी इसमें तो ये लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ मतलब वैसी कुछ सीन हुआ है. But
सामने
that
बंदा
is
देख
very
कौन है.
surprising. That is very surprising कि सामने वाला कुछ किया नहीं. When you know that
हाँ.
this superstar was your selling point, then to not keep him was
Neither Barcelona did something. I don't think Barcelona be. Again maybe I'm thinking too much, but they didn't try also.
they didn't
लग
have
रहा
any
था
other
वो.
option apparently. I mean, they see Messi did everything. वो he asked कि भाई देखो मेरा 5 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दो, 2 साल का पैसा दो, आई एम ओके. अब इससे ज्यादा वो भी कुछ शायद कर नहीं सकता. बट had he been there for 5 years, then I think he would have retired आराम से वहीं पे.
Like I don't think okay if you are in if you are the biggest team in your La Liga, and you can make decisions then. Like you have the authority to make decisions. You can change decisions. Like that is how big you are. La Liga में Barcelona is very big. उनका जब when they speak it matters.
Yeah,
And
their president
I
and all should have a very good goal.
yeah
Like these people were the one who could do a
they
breakaway
made
European
इतना
League. So भाई मेसी को रोकने के लिए तो ये लोग कर सकते थे. Even I felt the
कर
same.
सकते थे कुछ बोलते थे. अरे and the way it was handled like a American वो था थिंक कैसा बोलते. It was just paperwork, it was पेपर में कुछ लिखा हुआ था. हम तो बहुत ट्राई
Yeah,
किए
it
भाई
was
ये
so
नहीं हुआ.
simple कि भाई वही तो मेरे को भी समझ में आया कि अगर फाइनेंशियल ही था, there were salary caps and everything or whatever that problem
क्या
was. मेसी तो भाई लास्ट ईयर भी उसी सैलरी कैप में था. इस साल तुम्हारे पास ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्री एजेंट्स आए थे. There were some players that
बस
came, but कुछ लोगों को तुम निकाल भी सकते थे, which they were planning to offload, like people like Dembele and Serginho Dest or something like that, and Pjanic and all. तो बोला भाई जब इतना सब कुछ तुम्हारे पास स्कोप था तो you should have been prepared, you should have been. And it is not कि when you're running a club like Barcelona, you can't come on the day of the signing and then say कि भाई you know what, La Liga is not letting us do this and stuff like that. This is well thought of कि भाई एक दिन में आके या एक सुबह उठ के आके हम ऐसा कर दें, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा.
ऐसा कुछ करेंगे क्या मतलब. और
But I think that way it all happened so fast, right? एक दिन बार्सिलोना प्रेस स्टेटमेंट रिलीज किया कि मेसी इज नो लॉन्गर गोना स्टे. उनका प्रेसिडेंट मुंह पे बोल रहा है कि भाई नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट डे मेसी गिव्स अ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. उसके अगले दिन मेसी स्ट्रेट अप इज फ्लाइंग टू पेरिस. उसके अगले दिन मेसी इज अनवेल्ड एज पेरिस.
फोर्थ डे में
बस मेसी
पीएसजी
टी-शर्ट
डॉक्यूमेंटरी बना दिया. हाउ डिड मेसी के 10 मिनट्स का रील बना दिया लोग.
हां कि पीएसजी इज डे 1 इन मेसी.
टाइम तो दिया होगा ना बनाने के लिए,
that is why
डिजाइनर को
you know
ब्रीफ.
what I like about those things as owners. One apart because of the money, no doubt, for Manchester City or for PSG, they don't wait. They immediately pounce on the players. They by मौका मिलते ही मार देते हैं. See, they didn't wait for Grealish also. Man City, obviously they have the money. They didn't wait for Grealish. भाई 100 million हाँ 100 million दे देंगे, खत्म. Messi का भी PSG within 2 days the deal was done. Of course, they offered him 2 years contract plus 1 year to extend. We can see, but Barca had offered him 5 years contract, which is a good thing because considering Messi is 34, तो 39 तक वो
हाँ.
वहीं खेलता, मतलब he could have retired there, which is a big thing, because अगर realistically speaking no one would offer like a 5-year contract to Messi or Ronaldo. It would be 3-4
Yes,
something like
abhi
that,
they know. Yeah.
because of the age na. But again, yeah, so
Yes.
it's a very bad thing. I know today's podcast
Bad
also is
thing.
nothing but like a rant thing only, but yeah, this is very
But what could be? It was just.
okay. One
Ye,
question, how about, see, the president also, who John Laporta जो अभी है, he also
yeah.
is in a very bad mess, because उसको जो हैंडल करना है क्लब को बहुत बुरे हालत में. What about Joseph Bartomeu, who is responsible for creating this entire mess, for buying unwanted money, like
Tell him to go
unnecessary money
off
or
Spain. Tell him to go off Spain. वो मार देंगे वहां लोग उसको. Don't. वो पूरे यूरोप से निकल जाओ पहले. पहले अरेस्ट करो. अगर मिल जाए तो अरेस्ट करके अभी गिन दो पूरा. क्या मतलब ये
see, last
what
year
it
Messi
what
खुद wanted to leave, and we were thinking कि Messi चले जाएगा, and eventually that didn't happen. अभी
it happened.
साला इस बार हम कॉन्फिडेंट थे कि भाई मेसी जाएगा नहीं, मेसी तो तगड़े मूड में है भाई, अभी तो
अरे
प्रेसिडेंट
मेसी
चेंज हो गया.
कॉन्फिडेंट था नहीं जाऊंगा बोल के.
हाँ, एंड यार दिस वाज रियली
मेसी
बैड.
कॉन्फिडेंट था. मेसी was every year some news used to come कि
मेसी इज
yeah man
लीविंग,
like
मेसी इज लीविंग, मेसी इज लीविंग.
okay first the way it went. First the way it went. Like the paperwork. I still cannot believe that they said this was the reason. Like हमारा contract में see paperwork का like हमारा clause है एक, that I cannot believe that they have said this reason that this is why we
फाइनेंशियल फेयर
cannot
प्ले,
make.
फाइनेंशियल
I'm
रूल्स,
like
सैलरी कैप्स.
screw you. Like he's your ये ला लीगा यही है. ये चला रहा है ला लीगा.
And I'm
इसके नाम पे
surprised this is the same Barcelona that took 222 million for Neymar's transfer.
हाँ ये बात था पूरे. उसके बाद second how the entire thing was treated. Like I expected they will. I
The
expected
farewell
some
could have
courtesy
been
that they
better.
will
Yeah.
stadium. अरे इतना कुछ किया तुम्हारे लिए.
See, Camp
press
Nou में
conference
fans
बना
are coming back now, right? From the new
yeah
season start होने में European
उसमें ही
stadium
करा
में
देते
fans are back. Yeah,
उसमें ही करा
exactly.
देते उसमें ही
कि
करा
भाई
देते
he
यार.
deserved it, man. He deserved Camp Nou. ये साल
ठीक है
ऑडिटोरियम में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लगा रहे हैं.
लालीगा बस इसमें पैसा भी कमा सकते थे तुम.
हाँ, ये
टिकट्स का
व्यूअरशिप में,
पैसा
टिकट्स में कुछ ना कुछ तो आता
किसका
ही था.
कुछ ना कुछ कर सकते थे. ये तुम्हारा जो ऑल और नथिंग नेक्स्ट ईयर जो बन रहा है उसमें ये this could have been one shot like one episode also. How did it
Yeah.
happen? I am like dude, I think there is a bigger thing that happened which they don't want to say, or somebody because this is not the case. The paperwork is not the case. That I still think the paper ये जो bullshit reason बोले, that is not the case actually. Something happened, but I don't care about the reason.
I
I'm
am
left with
also
it.
surprised to know कि भाई ये कैसा हो रहा है, because यार I really don't know how to say, but I think one thing I am happy is that ki, okay, Messi cried the way the farewell was given, all that thing. It was a very moving picture and stuff and all. But I'm happy that Messi
Yeah.
relaxed at Paris. He was excited to see the new challenge. He was excited to meet up nice teammates, the way he was meeting Hakimi and all that thing. And PSG Legend is a good team now. They bought amazing players in this window. They bought Hakimi, they bought Donnarumma, they bought Ramos, they bought Wijnaldum, they bought Messi, they have Mbappe,
Already
they
have
Neymar.
इसका best friend भी है वहाँ.
Neymar, हाँ.
Best friend.
And Di Maria hai, Icardi hai, and then Pochettino bhi hai, who's a very, not a great, I would say, but decent coach, अच्छा hai. So I think it's a good thing, and I'm happy that at least if Messi does this to lead PSG to UCL glory, then I think that will be even better.
That will be a good thing. And
we will figure out how to watch. We will
big
figure
fuck
out
you
how
to La
to
Liga.
watch.
Fuck you La Liga. Fuck you. तुम्हारी वैसे कान है तुम लोग हमारा
career. So if all goes well, Messi could even make his debut this Saturday or Sunday. The League One has already started, by the way, and PSG won their first match.
I just got scared that Messi is making a debut in our podcast.
No. Okay, so
Messi
just
can
so
make a
people in
debut
our
here,
audience
okay?
know, we reached out to Fabrizio Romano so that he could give insights about Messi's transfer when we tried that time. Yeah, and then what happened was he asked us, ki bhai, he asked. He also said that there was some financial fair play. Which he was and our contract did not allow us to register Fabrizio Romano on our podcast. or his
because
contract.
we
So he
didn't have
also
the
had
yeah, because हमारे financial fair play में some word missing was
finance.
finance.
Yeah, we
That
didn't have the
was missing.
finance.
So we were
That is
like,
why
oh
we
shit,
couldn't.
fair as
Yeah.
we are fair, sir. We are fair and we are good to play with, but finance we don't have. So then he was like, get out. I was like, cool.
Okay. So yeah, that is the thing. So
But
by the way,
yeah, man. So it's
so debut हो सकता है मेसी का this Saturday or this
that's
Sunday. So Messi, PSG will be playing a team
हाँ
called Strasbourg. There's some team
क्या
called Strasbourg in League One.
which what
Yeah,
what
Strasbourg in League One. Yeah. So League One has already started, by the way, in case you don't know. Strasbourg.
you know
League One has already started,
Stro- okay.
and PSG has won their first match. So now PSG are. Let's see what happens. Grealish made his debut already in that FA Community Shield match, which they lost.
PSG will win.
PSG will win the league, should win the league. And do you think Messi will score on debut?
Because they are the league. Yeah, he will.
Even
तो
I
वहाँ
want him to
सोशल
score.
मीडिया पोस्ट बन चुका है वहाँ क्या तुम
अच्छा
yeah that's it but hit social social media post बना दिए वो लोग PSG are very fast वो लोग तो पूरा रील वील बना के रेडी बैठे अरे काल is a post PSG बेईमान मेसी मेसी
ये तो
मेसी
आजकल
मेसी
वार का भी वेट नहीं करेंगे भाई, गोल होने के बाद वार चेक करेगा, गोल के लिए गोल मारते पहले ये लोग डाल देंगे PSG तो
भाई
ये
पहला
रेडी
गोल नहीं आता
फोटोशूट
पहला पोस्ट पहले
पोस्ट
पोस्ट आ
होता है
जाएगा you know,
फिर गोल होगा.
अरे फिर गोल होगा ये अपना नया मैच फिक्सिंग है बट we'll talk that in a different podcast
Different podcast.
but yeah
Yeah,
that's it I guess
from our
we are
episode.
ranted
And
enough
yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching our podcast, and please you can share your condolences for Messi leaving Barca, and you can share your
yeah
now from a lot of people. अभी इंडिया में नया इतने दिन तक फोर्सा बारसा चल रहा था इंडिया में, now it will be new thing. अब LS Paris,
अभी
LS Paris
LS
अब
yes
नया आ
Paris
गया.
Paris अरे पेरिस मेरा टीम है भाई क्या पेरिस टीम नहीं है
I'm a Paris fan. Yeah.
अब पेरिस सिटी है PSG टीम है PSG
I know, dude. Oh God. So, guys,
ये
to
क्या
do this
भाई
thing to
पेरिस
commemorate
पेरिस
this event, what we have done, me, Shavik, along with a couple of other comedians from the Nations Rugby, we are doing a roast of
yes
La Liga on this
yeah of La Liga
Saturday, 9 o'clock at Instagram
Saturday
Live.
from 9
Okay.
p.m.
So you can,
Yeah,
we'll put the details in the
please watch
description.
us
So
there.
please watch us there for more ranting. Today it was a रोना धोना. उस दिन हम properly roast करेंगे, and चार लोग, ठीक है? तो four
उस दिन
comedians.
और दो आ रहे वो लोग भी बहुत गुस्से में आएंगे
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Done.
तो उस दिन proper roast रहेगा. So thank you so much guys for watching this podcast, and ठीक है? So please like, share and subscribe. More videos coming. इस week से season start हो रहा है, so we'll put
Thank
up
you so much guys
regular videos. Take care.
for
Bye.